Welcome back to Huel Moto, welcome back to the hut. Sorry, it's a bit of a mess in here, I've been working all day. This afternoon, we'll have a quick look at my CBR 600RR. It has got a intermittent fault with the indicators. So actually, you know, looking on YouTube, this seems like it's a fairly common fault. Lots of people resolve it with just cleaning out the turn signal here. I'll try and demonstrate it. Sod's law, it'll be that it won't work now. So there's a bit of a delay when you try and indicate right. There you go. And then when you try and indicate left, sometimes it works as an intermittent fault, and then sometimes you actually have to hold it down. So see, nothing. But when you hold it down, there you go. So I think it's a turn signal issue. Sorry, control issue. I think it's a control issue. And so we're going to just strip that apart. We're going to give it a little blowout with some compressed air, and then we've got some fast drying contact cleaner. We've got some fast drying contact cleaner, and we'll get in that. So this turn signal control is held on by two screws. They're a little bit awkward, so I'm using a L-shaped wrench to get them off. Okay, so let's now split this control unit and see what we look like inside. Okay, we've got the wires for that, and then we've got this turn signal here. So if we pull that out, gently does it, you should be able to get some access to it. Okay, oh yeah, that looks pretty filthy in there, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. See the sort of mechanism. I'm going to blow it out with some compressed air, and then I'm going to get some contact on it, contact cleaner. So let's do the air first. Let's see if we just get the grit out, and then we'll use the contact cleaner. So we're just literally just using a bit of blowpipe spray duster can, which is a pretty expensive way of doing it, but needs must. Right, so I've got a bit of fast drying contact cleaner. I'm going to give that a spray in and just see if we can clean up the terminals a little bit. Right, apologies, my GoPro ran out of battery there, so right as we're in the middle of it, so I managed to get through it. So clean it up, a bit of contact cleaning. I actually got a toothbrush at the end, and just as I was showing you there, just get right in and amongst it, put it all back together. And so now all fine. And do you know what, it actually feels just so much smoother. So yeah, good job. Fucking hell. Right.